Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point and then where the price ultimately closed, sure, the overall day was rough, but looking at it from just an intraday perspective, you know, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a nice bounce, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 25-cent mark. Why is 25 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about that 25-cent mark. I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price comes down to 25 and then just keeps on going down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, however, in this situation behaves like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you got stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. A truly strong move is going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 25 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about that purple line right now going forward. Yeah, I get it. That line's way up there. The price is way down there. But that is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as Thursday and Friday play out, that line will continue to move itself downwards and get more and more relevant as time goes on. So keep an eye on that from the overall perspective. But really, key thing right now to watch is just, can the price start to make progress forward? Because if this bounce is going to turn into something bigger, well, it needs to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, it needs to keep on making progress forward. So that is why that 25-cent mark is very important. So nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.